I worked on my other strength and my eating habits, I'd be an Olympian.
Yeah, you would. Well, let's do that.
I'm Edwin, this is Sarah, and this is Beyond Hair. So due to illness, Sarah recently lost about 50% of her hair. It's now growing back and she's very keen to keep the length. So today we're going to add some shape with some nice face framing layers and also show her some Canvas products which will really help them look healthy and thicker.
All right, Sarah, I'm gonna put a little bit of the Moisture Repair leave-in in your hair. This is an instant detangler, so this will help get some of the tangles out. And yeah, it'll just make the hair more combable. That feel okay?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously fitness is a huge part of your life. And I know you have your own business, Healthy Role Models. So tell me more about Healthy Role Models.
So Healthy Role Models is really all-encompassing, and it's all about sustainable change for women. And so we have, our strength training workouts, we have a holistic nutrition approach that's not a diet or like a fad or anything like that. And we have women of all ages. So we have women who are like in their teens all the way into their 70s. So it's 10 strong years, and it started with 20 women in our hometown to now being, over 1,000 ladies globally.
Do you work out every day, 7 days a week?
No, so like I said, with Healthy Role Models, everything is about creating sustainable change. And so I know there are a lot of programs out there and it's like, go, 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 or don't miss a day. But our program really focuses on the balance and building the foundation of strength, but also the importance of rest and recovery. Do you remember the first haircut you gave me?
Yeah, I was thinking about that the other day. That would have been around 87, 88.
Yeah, sounds
1987, 1988. So you were like, what, 10?
I was in elementary school, yeah. All the styles back then were like, you'd have like half your head shaved and then like long on the other side. And do you remember rat tails?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, it was the 80s.
So I didn't just have one rat tail. You gave me 4 rat tails.
Well, I'm an overachiever. All right, so let's cut that rat tail. Okay, I think at this point I'm gonna dry your hair.
Okay.
This is our Add Power Thickening Spray. Again, kind of build up that hair, build up that body. It's definitely not a sticky product. You're not gonna feel any resistance on your hair if you're putting a round brush through there.
I think over, the 3 years or so of the pandemic and aftermath, that we really all realized the importance of social connection. And that's one big thing with Healthy Role Models is like we had that constantly, even throughout the pandemic when we couldn't see people in person.
Right.
We had that online connection. Like you must have noticed when the salons were closed during that time that you're missing the social connection piece.
Yeah, the thing that we did that was really helpful for us is my wife would take product orders on the phone, and then I would drive around in the car and, from arm's length, deliver the product to the clients to their houses.
Yeah, I remember.
And
Fiona,
they loved like that little 5-minute
Personal touch.
interaction that we had.
And the step-by-step guide on how to do, like for me, it was like a root touch-up.
Yep.
And it was all written out with all the products that I needed to do it. And yeah, it was a really nice touch.
I think we'll throw a few curls in there just so you feel kind of sexy, and we'll send you on your way. So this is the ThermaShape. It's a 2-in-1 spray. It can protect the hair up to 450 degrees. It's a dry spray, so I like that I can spray it in your ready dry hair and it doesn't make it wet. And I don't know if you can see in the mirror, but I'm kind of doing this little half curl, and then I drop it out.
Okay.
And then I curl it, then I drop it out.
And that keeps the length.
And that helps keep it elongated. And a bit more of a textury wave rather than a
Bouncy.
a bouncy curl.
Yeah.
And then this is the playable texture. So this will give the hair a bit of texture. It'll kind of hold the hair together. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my conversation with Sarah. To see more episodes and loads of more content, please check out the KMS Pro YouTube channel. I hope to see you there.